Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today, Marna is not feeling too well. She's got a sore throat, having a hard time talking. No jokes there, please. And she asked me to give away or I guess announce the two winners of two of the hidden giveaways in two of her previous videos. And so she sent me the list of people who were eligible, who were active subscribers, who leave comments, so on and so forth. And I ran it through the little magic wheel of winners, and it came up with a couple of winners. For the Troll Doll giveaway, the winner is Nola's Dolls and Aquatics. Congratulations, Nola. I'm not sure when she'll get that in the mail, since I'm not sure even where they are, but I bet in the next couple of days she'll be up and about and getting to it. And then for the Mini Blythe, one of the many Mini Blythes coming up here for subscribers, this one here is going to Little Midwest Reborns and Dolls. Congratulations. I'm sorry I don't even know your name. I'm just barely aware of what goes on in this household, so thank you so much for watching.
Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.